mounts. Inside you will find 2 rugged mounts, 4 clamps, 8 M8 channel bolts, 8 locking nylon nuts, and 8 washers. Flip over your rugged case and measure the base from the edge to edge. This is a 95 liter and measures 45.58 inches. Now measure your crossbars and make sure you have each crossbar between the length of the case. You may have to make more minor adjustments. Rugged mounts can fit on any kind of crossbar. In this case we are using a Prinsu rack, which will use the carriage bolts. We also have the option of using sandwich plates. On a rack similar to what Prinsu has to offer, insert 4 carriage bolts into the crossbar for mounting your first rugged mount. Add the washer and locking nylon nut. Tighten with hand tools. Do the same to the other side. Ensure that the interior of the grip lock feet from this mount to the one already installed measures exactly the length of the bottom of your rugged case. Tighten bolts. To mount using sandwich plates, the process is very similar. On each mount you will use 2 sandwich plates. Put your rugged mount on a crossbar and add sandwich plates to the mount. Adjust accordingly. You will need to do a few test fitments with your case to be sure you have proper fitment. Add mounting clamp to your rugged case. You may need to adjust the clamp rod. Do this by loosening it, and use the locking nut to lock it in place. Latch your case down and enjoy your new Roam rugged mount.